channel. I hope you're doing fine. And if you're new, hello, I am Karina. And I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, please don't forget to click that button and subscribe and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, I am going to share with you two albums that I put together 10 years ago. Yes, I have a collection of albums and mini albums. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see my two albums for two trips, one to Chicago and the other one was to New Orleans. And you can see these albums and the style and the tendencies that happened at that time. It's funny how everything keeps coming back. So let's go ahead and watch them. Okay, so I am here. I'm going to flip through these two albums that I put together 10 years ago. And as you can see, my style has changed. And I started paper crafting as a scrapbooker. So I am going to show you the first one. This is Chicago. I love the print. It's very busy. And these papers were from a kit from Scarlet Lime scrapbook kit. It's the owner of the Planner Society. She used to have a scrapbook kit and I love it, and I used to be subscribed to it. And this is where all the papers came from, and also these kind of like a trim, so cute. The chipboard, I bought it years ago at Joann's. So let's go ahead and flip through. As you can see, I wanted to leave everything raw. I didn't want it to cover the inside covers. And these are heavy chipboard, as you can see. I'm gonna come closer, and I just love this one. I love the composition, and yeah, it was September 2nd, 2009. Wow. So here I'm with my hubby, and I use some rub-ons, a chipboard, and let's take a look at the other one. Again, more of the rub-ons. I forgot what company I use it, and I love this mousse. I took a picture of it, and there we go. I distress with some inks from the Distress inks from Ranger, Tim Holtz. And look at this rosette. And another picture, more rub-ons and a sticky. Then the other one, it's a picture of a sculptor. Chicago has lots of sculptors, so I just love it. It's a very artsy city, and some little felt flowers here. And I love this picture of my hubby here too. How as you can see, the pictures that I selected were based on the paper that I had. There we go. Here I have my hubby, and as you can see, the background green, so green and yellow, so the picture stands out. This other one, it's a view Lake Michigan. It's just so beautiful. This is another one, and this is a I took a picture. We were in a tour, and one of the buildings had this gargoyle kind of hanging by the roof, so took a picture of it and documented it. This one, another sculpture on Nathan Hill. Love it, love it, love it. This other one, I took a picture in front of there's like almost like a square in Chicago, and I used some buttons that came with a kit, and more chipboard here. There's another one, very cute. Love the trim that came with the kit as well. And here's the other one. And then on the back I didn't have anything, so this is the album from Chicago. As you can see, my style has evolved a lot. I love me albums and also mini albums. I have tons of mini albums that I have made, you know, past 10 years. This is another album from New Orleans. I didn't cover anything in the... This is a very cool one. We went to NOLA, one of the restaurants owned by Emerald Lagasse. It was really good. And here's another one. We stayed at this gorgeous bed and breakfast. I love it. July 2002. Oh my goodness. This is how old this picture was. Here's another one. This is inside the house, the bed and breakfast. Very cute. My hubby. Here I am at the Oak Alley Plantation. Some pictures. More pictures. Here we were on the tour. And as you can see, I'm picking up the colors from the background and the sign. As you can see, kind of like dark orange and dark blue, greens. This is another one. This was by the Cajun Pride Swamp, and you see how I'm picking up the colors of the sign. The alligator, yellow, blue from my shirt, and green from the trees. The same concept here too. Just put this big flower, and again picking up the colors from the picture, so everything looks kind of like cohesive. This other one, this is a Laura Creole Plantation. It was really cool, and I used the paper, but as you can see, this color of the signage just matched with the paper that I had, and so the picture stands out. Not only the paper or the background, but the picture definitely stands out. This is another one, and I love this one too. And here I am making funny faces. We were at the French Quarter, and then on the back I don't have any pictures. I don't have like an end. I'm flipping this back again, and there we go. Yeah, so this was my album from New Orleans and the one from Chicago. These albums, I put them together 10 years ago, and I love to make albums and scrapbook albums, not only the 12 by 12 pages, but like this size of album, and also mini albums. Please let me know down in the comments if you want me to make a process video of mini albums, you know, chipboard. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.